Me, just like you, sometimes I'm searching a lot of information about forex signals and Google and binary option signals, and sometimes we have a lot of crap. But in this video, let's go to search together the best forex signals and how much money we can make with these forex signals. Just follow signals for forex and binary options. So let's rock with this video. And this is the first signals group we can find it here. Okay, let's go to check it out and see the numbers. How many pips they made on profits at this BAP signal group, because this is only sharing their results, and says 100 pips and have a good signals with them. But something that I saw curious here is have 75,000 members active here and only 2,000 watch this message. So this means maybe they can have only robots of fake followers in this forex signals group. So can be a scam or not. So maybe we need to check it out and test it and then follow the signals to saw if it is something good. This is another signals group and says 13,000 followers, almost 14,000 followers. This is in Spanish. And the way that I trade with forex signals is just saying enter now, right now with the Australian dollar and USD, Euro USD, enter now for a put, enter now for a call. So that means you need to have open the market in that moment to just click it and close it. And something that I saw with this signals group is sometimes using stop loss with 200 pips with Euro USD, 100 pips. It's a lot of pips. It's a lot of risk too. If you lost that trade, it can be complicated to follow this type of signals. The name of this group is Pocket Options Signals Free and have 234,000 members on this signals group, but only 78 watch the signals. So what this means, maybe this have fake members inside of this signals group. So can be again our fake and scam signals group providers. And let's go to check it out why I'm saying this can be a scam, because invest $50 earn 950, invest 100 earn 1,600, and invest 200 and earn 2,800. So I write in and asking what is this, how this really works. I just send in $50 and you're gonna give me back $950, and they say yes. And all you have to do is just waiting to receive this type of signals, to receive your money back in a 1 week. This is something scammy. Okay, this is scam 100%. So the top 10 forex signals group channels, and let's go to check it out. The first one, they say Telegram channel, and let's go to see if I can enter. That's a Telegram channel, and receive the gold signals, the best gold signals. Trading with gold, only with gold, can be complicated, risky. If you have a few losses, a lot of pivots moves in the gold, so it can be complicated. Just sharing and WhatsApp, no opening the Telegram group anymore. Let's go to the second group here, Forex signals and weekly BIP access, monthly, 3 months, lifetime BIP access. September results overview. Let's go to our free Telegram channel for Forex signals. We are waiting for opening these forex signals, and we don't have access anymore for this signals group with free signal group on Telegram. Let's go to the number 3 on this list, Apex Bull, and let's go check it out. Let's go to click it here and open it and watch if I can have access with them. And no, we don't have access anymore. Let's go to try it directly on Telegram. Forex signals group. We can find it a lot of information about more signals group and how they just generate a lot of profits in forex signals group, but many of them is totally a scam, asking you for money, send money to them, and they're gonna work with that money and it's gonna giving to you the profits 1 week, 1 month later, but sometimes that is full scam. And actually, I really admire that guy because I saw the histories on Instagram, I saw his videos on YouTube, and have a lot of expectation about the signals group they open it, the signal for Forex, but actually I was disappointed. So Forex signals giving me 8 pips to stop loss and 8 pips to take profit. I know, depends how much money I gonna move or using my leverage and what is the expectation that I can have. But I received 5 signals in 1 month. In 1 month with that amount, I lost 3 and I won 2. Okay, having the 50% or 50% of the risk that I can earn the same amount that I lose is a shitty signals that I received with that guy. This guy earned just in 1 month $40,000 for to receive this type of signals, and was a shitty signals. I'm not saying we have the best signals for Forex and binary options, but let's go to check it out the results right here. This was the previous signals we sent, and this is how many pips we have in the stop loss and take profit. 17 pips for stop loss and 186 pips to take profit. It's a huge difference between receive a signal for 8 pips for the stop loss and 8 pips for to take profit. So when I created this signals group, I have that on mind. I want to create a different type of signals providers and different type of strategies for those who are searching this type of scenarios to generate profits with Forex, using these signals maybe to pass funding accounts or increase his balance, risky and minimum percent 0.5% per trade. This is the safe way to generate profits and to trade with Forex. So if you're searching a good signals group providers for you for binary option with Forex, maybe this can help you. Maybe can be the best option for you if you're searching this type of information for Forex and binary options. So maybe you have to test in these signals group providers and see the difference between those who are saying have a good options to generate profits with Forex and binary options. I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you next wave.